Now assembly is complete. We're just going to do a couple final checks and then go on a ride. If your battery needs charging, the charger is inside this box, plugs into a regular wall outlet, and plugs onto the back side of the battery here. Your keys are not required to operate the bike, but they're to remove the battery. You can charge it on and off the bike, and they should be zip tied to your handlebar here. There's 2 of them, so separate these because you'll need them to remove the battery during cold winters or for travel or convenience. Now you're ready to ride. To power on your bike, press the power button here on the up and down arrow next to the throttle on the left. And if you have any questions about how your bike works, the assembly, or anything else, you can certainly reach out by phone or by email. Find those details on our website at magnumbikes.com. And also, your owner's manual and assembly guide that came with your bike are invaluable tools and resources that you should keep handy. Thanks, and happy trails.